So guys, this is Blue Tara Hotel at Krabi, Aonang. Uh, Very nice hotel and a very convenient location. When you reach Krabi airport, there are options like you can take a Bolt taxi, or you can also opt for a mini van, which will be a sharing van, and that can drop you at your hotel at just 100 baht. uh, Taxi, if you take, it would take about 300 baht or maybe 600 baht if you don't negotiate. Bolt, of course, takes 300 baht because that's already decided on the app. But if you take a private taxi, it might cost you about 400 to 500 baht, or maybe even 600 sometimes they quote. Just take care of that and reach this hotel. The hotel is beautiful.
Welcome to Krabi and let's talk to your friend. Come to Krabi. Welcome to Blue Tara.
ค่ะสวัสดีค่ะ welcome ค่ะขอบคุณค่ะ thank you
Thank you.
yeah
So guys, this is yet another hotel at Krabi, Aonang. This hotel is called Blue Tara. A beautiful hotel. This is the room I'm showing you. It's a large room with nice, comfortable bed. Centrally air conditioned. They have this nice unit over here. There's a large TV, water kettle, hot water kettle, 2 mirrors, and the chairs are given for you if you want to sit and do some makeup and all. They have a wardrobe. There's a safety box, a laundry bag. There's the bathroom, a huge bathroom. They have 2 wash basins. Basically, this is a family room. Bathtub, then there's a toilet seat over here, and there's a shower closet. Very nicely done. It looks very elegant. The hotel also provides you complimentary water bottles, and also there's a mini bar over here, and they have these beers and all you have if you want to enjoy your drink. Let me show you the balcony. And this is the balcony. As soon as you're out in the balcony, you're in the middle of the Aonang city. There are different hotels over here. You can see the nice view from here. This is the balcony for you guys. A nice sit out. And you can enjoy the crowd over here. Sitting in the balcony itself, you can see the crowd. There is Indian restaurant called Dosa King. They have chain of outlets everywhere in Thailand. Then there is Apple a Day Kids Club. There is a hotel called Red Ginger right opposite this hotel. All in all, it's a fantastic place and a very good budget friendly hotel at Aonang, Krabi. Everything is close by, just at a walking distance. And from here, if you want to go to Aonang beach, you just have to get out of the hotel, take a left and start walking, and you reach the main road, which is a beach road basically, and you start walking towards your left and you reach the beach within next 5 minutes.